let's talk about the integer operations. Okay. So whenever we are talking about operations in a maths, we have like normally we have this four operations like addition, subtraction. There are many. Okay. There are many operations. We can square and we can cube. But if we talk about just normal integer operations, then we have the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, right? This type of operations we have. Okay. So first of all, if we are talking about integer operation, let's start with the easy, and that is just addition, right? We are all good at adding the integers, okay? So these are the table, and this table is the important for you, and how it is important. So this is given here the sign, okay? So you can think any number. For example, you can think plus 8, okay, like this. So you can think any number, okay? But the condition is what? First number should be positive and next number should be positive, okay? So you have to what to do? You have to do add them, okay? And the answer will have the sign of the plus sign only, because answer is the 16, right? Getting the table, the first line, if you add two positive numbers, you will get a positive answer, okay? Now, so the next one is what? Next one is like we are adding, okay? But this time we are adding two negative numbers, okay? So if we are adding two negative numbers like this, for example, I'm taking the same numbers, but in terms of negative, okay? minus 8, and I'm adding them, okay? So if I have this example, then my answer is what? My answer is minus 16, okay? So here what happened? I have added them only, okay? Because like same number, I am adding, but what is the here thing is both are the negative. So if I'm adding minus 8 and again I'm adding minus 8, then the negative number will become bigger, and that is minus 16, okay? Like minus 16, it will be, okay? Basically. So it will move to the left hand side, okay? If I'm again adding minus 8, then it will go to the left, okay? Now this one on the number line I'm talking, okay? This is the number line. You have already minus 4, and if I'm taking like if I'm adding another minus 4, then it will move to the minus 8, okay? Now the third rule. Third rule is what? Basically when you have the different sign. For example, you are adding positive number with the negative number. Let's say minus 8, you are adding with minus 4, okay? In that case, what is going to happen? So here you have the plus, okay? You have the plus 8, okay? On the number line, if you can see, let's say you have the plus 4 and you are subtracting minus 2. It means you are going left side, okay? 2. So you will get this 2, right? So the same way you can figure it out here. If you have the plus 8, you can think like this. You have the 8 pound and you are buying something of 4 pound. So how much left you have? At the end, you have the 4 pound, right? So you have to remember this. What we are going to do here, we are going to do subtract, okay? So 8 minus 4, that is the 4. And you are going to put the larger integer sign, okay? So your answer will be what? Plus 4. Getting why it is plus 4? Anyone have any doubt? So if you have any doubt, you can ask me, okay? You can raise hand and you can send me the message, and all those things is possible, okay? So yes, Samrangi, okay, tell me what is your doubt?
I don't understand the third rule. Can you explain it again?
Okay, I am explaining, okay? See, what is the given to you? Like there is one number is the positive and one number is negative, okay? And I'm adding that, okay? Yeah. So let's say this is plus 8, okay? Okay, I'm telling you in terms of let's say this is the plus 8, okay? I'm drawing. Let's say this is your plus 8, okay? And here you have the 0. So now if you are adding minus 2, okay? So you are adding minus 2, but it is the below, it is like, see, the positive numbers upside and the negative numbers downside, okay? So if you match both the things together, if you are adding, then what is going to happen? Here you have the 6, right? 6 will left. Are you getting me? Getting? Not getting? Okay, I'm taking another example, okay? I'm removing this example and I'm taking another example. What I'm saying, for example, you have the 14, okay? And this is the positive 14, okay? Now, if I'm adding into this minus 6, so this is opposite to plus, right? Like I am adding minus 6 into it, okay? So that will decrease my total, right? Decrease my total. Initially it is 14, so now it will be how much, somebody?
Um,
You have to subtract, right?
Yes, I have to subtract.
Yes. And so 14 minus 6, that is how much? 8, right? And
yes.
Yes, Samir, do you want to give me answer of this?
No.
Okay. So Samrangi, this is going to be what? 14 minus 6. So that means this is just 8. Okay, getting?
Okay.
And at the end, larger integer sign you have to put. So larger integer sign is the plus. So nothing is to worry. Okay. Now I'm taking another example. Okay. And you may get more clear. Okay, Arav, what is your doubt?
Sorry, I don't have a doubt. I was just trying to answer the last question. I forgot to put down my hand.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Well and good. Okay. So let's have the next example. Okay. This time I'm taking a negative number. Okay. And that is a bigger. So for example, if I'm taking 16, okay, minus 16, and now I am adding plus 8, okay. Yeah. So what I'm going to get? Anyone? Table is in front of you. So yes, whoever knows the answer, please raise your hand. I'm going to select randomly. Okay. So let's see who will be the. Okay, Nicholas, can you hear me? Okay, fine. Okay, give me the answer of this question. Minus 16 plus 8.
Minus 24.
You are not correct. Okay, no problem. Mila, do you want to give me answer of this question?
Yes, minus 8.
And yes, minus 8 is the correct answer. So what is here? Possible answer is the minus 8. And what is the reason behind it is you have to take care of this minus 16 is the negative number. And in that you are adding 8. Okay. So if I will draw the number line, then here you are somewhere like minus 16. Okay. And now you are adding plus 8. It means you are moving to the right hand side, right? And right hand side, if you move, it means what? Minus 16 plus 8. It means now you have just minus 8. Okay. Or in terms of, okay, you can understand like this. If you have taken the borrowing from your friend, okay, and let's say that is 16 pound, okay, now you are paying back 8 pound to that person, okay. So how much now you have to pay? That is 8 pounds only, right? Getting? So that way you can understand, okay, fine. Now let's have this one, the next page, okay. So whatever we have done up to now, this is about the plus, okay. So let's have some example, okay. Already we have taken many example, but I'm taking now example, and in front of you, that table is not there. So let's check. Minus 8 plus minus 8, 18, okay.